Welcome! In front of me I have SONY Xperia Pro-I, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the save mode on this device. First, let's press and hold the power button to open the power menu. So press and hold the power button. Once the menu appears on the screen, find the power off option and press and hold on it, like this. After a second or two, the warning message should pop out, and what it says is basically that the save mode disables all third-party applications, so you won't be able to use them in the save mode, and if you want to use them again, you will need to reboot into a normal mode. Tap on OK to confirm and wait until the phone is done rebooting. As you can see, our phone booted into save mode. You can see it right here. Let's unlock it. And if you have some kind of third-party applications, they should be disabled. But let's see, for example, Call of Duty. Yeah, as you can see, it's gonna be not available. Facebook works for some reason. This is weird. But basically, or maybe Call of Duty will work if we disable the airplane mode. Nope, still won't work. Okay, so basically, as you can see, some applications are disabled. Usually, if they're disabled, the icons are grayed out, but for some reason on here, they're not. So you can't really tell which application is disabled unless you try to open it. And oh, for example, the Google widget is not working, as you can see, the clock. And once you're done checking out what you want to check in save mode, to exit it, simply press and hold the power button, find the restart option and tap on it to reboot the phone into normal mode. And that's how you enter the save mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.